can get our bullnose around the bottom and bullnose around the top. It'll really look good. You can caulk these corners out. They're tight enough to where it'll just flow right in there. And then when you put your caulk in there and let it dry, and then you get all of it and you sand it a little bit, when you paint it, it's like a slick wall. People like that. Makes for a pretty finish. Because what they had in here was terrible. I'm having to do is, this box is too wide. Just like this box here, it's too wide. So when you put your cover over it, you have to cut your cover off. Well, that's just not best. It looks ugly. So what they want to do is maybe just put a 2-gang box here and a single above. And what that'll do is you can put your covers on there and it'll look normal, instead of looking like an old jacked up remodel. Right now we all jacked up remodel style. Had this as a mess in here, but we're just I'm putting it all back together and everything. We fix to make sure it all will work just right.
All right.
And we'll insulate it all good. And I don't want we don't want the house to burn down, so we're gonna put it all back together, insulate it good.
Well, thank you.
Make sure it all works like it should.
Thank you.
If it was easy, everybody'd be doing it. All this is looking nice in here.
That's great.
And then what we'll do, he's gonna prime all that. I'm gonna grab some trim that I know will look good. I was thinking about putting this trim up there. It would have this on the bottom side and this on the top. I'm thinking, I'm gonna go out there and look in just a minute. If we do, that would look really strong in here.
I love the ledge.
That ledge just,
It looks good, doesn't it?
it made things work. And
it looks better. It looks better with the
we just rounded her in, and then we'll drop this little one behind it and stack these 3 and 2, 2 and 1 like that. And, you know,
that's great.
And then we'll prime paint, and it'll just look so much. Well, you can already tell. It'll just look.
I
just so much cleaner. Like
liked it. Just
like
the
this
mirrors,
is yeah. It's like this is the way it is.
around the mirrors.
Yeah. It's like, oh, that's the way that's supposed to look.
Yeah, that's the way it's.
That kind of
that
thing.
looks awesome.
But with all this white and finished,
Yeah,
it just will feel so much different than what it did, you know?
Yeah.
It'll just be clean, nice straight lines. Your mirrors will be straight lines,
It
so.
looks great, James.
All right, brother.
Yeah, it looks great.
Well,
Thank you.
good. I'm glad you're liking it.
It's fantastic.
I'm glad it's coming together. I like it.
It's fantastic.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. A lot better, don't you think? What you think? I think it's too good. And it really don't look like we've done anything, honestly, because it's so, it flows so well now. But man, the mess we tore out of here and what it looked like, just remarkable difference. Our definition of the walls and the trim around the windows and all looks so much better than what they had. All right, what we're doing is trying to get things sanded. My guys caulked and sanded yesterday a little bit, and it's terrible. Some of the worst caulking I've ever seen, so we're fixing it. When people don't know, they don't know. I wish a Ford and a Chevy still last 10 years like it should. Well, we're painting, we're trying to finish up, so I don't have a painter. So I'm having to paint all this myself. like to thank you for watching our channel and being with us through this small remodel from start to finish. We hope you've enjoyed the transformation. If you'd like to see more of this kind of in-depth footage, you can check out our playlist. This particular job in parts and pieces through there from start to finish. So you can definitely take advantage of that and just watch it all. And don't forget to drop a comment and let us know what your thoughts are. If you like what you've been seeing, just give us a thumbs up, just let us know, because we're eager to hear what you have to say. Just stay tuned, because we got a lot of upcoming videos. It's going to be similar but different. A lot of remodel, a lot of new construction. We've got new construction coming up off Industrial Drive. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's an office complex. So anyway, and subscribe to our channel. Yeah, you can know by subscribing. You'll know when we post each day, and give you something to look forward to when you get done with your job. You can go home and watch us do our job. How about that? Y'all have a good evening, and we'll talk to you soon. See you on the next video.